ह्या आर्थीक संकल्पांत आमच्यो खूब अपेक्षा आसल्यो. तातूंत गोंया खातीर खाशेलें अशें कांयच ना. पूण नुस्तेमारी आनी शेती खातीर हो आर्थीक संकल्प गोंयांत फायदेशीर थारूं येता. स्थावर मालमत्ता आनी बिल्डर्सांक एक वर्साची कर माफी मेळूं येता अशी प्रतिक्रिया गोंय वाणिज्य आनी उद्देग चेंबरान व्यक्त केल्या. आरडीएक्स गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
In India, 63 multi-billionaires in India control the wealth of India or equal to budget of India. So it is required that that wealth has to be distributed among the poor people. How to bring that wealth? I was implicating that finance minister may introduce again wealth tax, but that is not come.
Budget is, you can call it Aam Aadmi budget. But the thing is that particularly in Goa, mining, as Manoj said, mining industry, we were expecting a lot to, we'll get something because there are a lot of units which have been closed down. A service provider unit which was dependent on mining has closed down. If the iron ore would have been done and they would have given some all over stamp duty reduction, that would have been better.
Well, overall budget is good because we welcome that budget. But as far as women are concerned, I don't see very much here for women. But still, she has said that women, Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao. This is a good thing which was happening. And now they have started saying that we have to, she has given us the women self-help groups, they are concentrating more on self-help groups.
Our expectations were much higher. It has not met our expectations. In the same breath, the government has proposed enough things, but it will take time for the results to show. From that point of view, we are not happy because we were expecting immediate money to come into the market in the hands of individuals.
So little indication towards that, because people are being harassed now and then for the compliances. That part also should be thought about. And second thing what I had said is you need to create a ease of doing business for us.
I call this budget as a reformative budget of Hamara India, as the finance minister quoted it while saying it. As far as the direct taxes are concerned, I welcome it and I appreciate it also because this is getting in us of the lowest rate of taxes. It is regarding dividend taxes, which was the core issues amongst the many investors. They have removed it, and of course they will be taxing it in the hands of the individuals.
On archaeological sites and things of this nature. It's an excellent thing as far as cultural tourism is concerned, but we're expecting something more in the other ambits because tourism is far-reaching.